Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change payment method in Tesco. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Tesco web application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you find Tesco? Now you can get Tesco using Google Play Store or Apple Store, or you can even use the web application just as I'm using right now. So how to create an account on Tesco? Launch any browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, go ahead and type tesco.com. Now that's going to take you to the official website. Once you get into the website, check the top right corner of your screen and click on the sign up button. Now follow through with the on-screen prompt to sign up and create your account. Now, once you're done creating your account, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Tesco. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to change your payment method in Tesco. Now from this homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have My Account tab. Go ahead and click on My Account, and that's going to take you to your accounts window. Hello Favor, here's your account overview. Hi Tesco, I need help. So from this page right here, so just scroll the way down till you get to the orders section. So this is the first category, which is orders, and if you check just right under your orders, you're definitely going to find order history, payment wallet, and delivery saver. So go ahead and click on payment wallet. So right here, it takes you to this amazing page where you have your payment wallet. Now, you can view and manage your saved payment cards for online grocery orders. All your details are secure and encrypted. So if you want to change your payment method, you're going to have your saved payment methods right here in this window. So changing would mean adding a new payment card or deleting a previous payment method so you can add a new one. Now, how do you add a new payment card? Go ahead and click right here, add a payment card, and that's going to take you to this window that says this card will be added to the groceries, and this is what they accept. So these are the cards they accept. They have Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. So go ahead and enter your name on your card number, expiry date, the months and the year, ensure that the details are accurate. Then your security code, your billing address, your street address, town and city, or town or city, and then you have your postcode, have your country, and once you're done, go ahead and click on this box. Check the box to save it as your default, if you want to save it as default. Now once you're done filling out this information, go ahead and click on this add new card button, and once you do that, your new card is going to be saved. You can choose to delete the previous card and just save this one. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.